stay motivated to learn English. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Learning English is an exciting journey, but let's be honest, it's not always easy to stay motivated. Some days, everything feels smooth and learning is fun. Other days, frustration sets in and it feels like progress is too slow. But staying motivated is possible. Today, let's explore how to keep going, even when learning feels difficult. The challenge of motivation. Many people start learning English with excitement. The first few weeks are full of energy, studying new words, practicing speaking, and listening to English every day. But after a while, things change. Learning becomes harder, motivation fades, and doubts begin to appear. Thoughts like, why am I not improving faster? Speaking is too difficult. Maybe I'm not good at learning languages. These thoughts make it tempting to quit. But the truth is, everyone faces challenges when learning English. What makes the difference is how those challenges are handled. Number 1. Set clear goals. One of the biggest reasons people lose motivation is that they don't have a strong reason to learn. Without a goal, learning feels endless and tiring. To stay motivated, ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? What will I gain from it? Some possible answers. Travel confidently without needing a translator. Get a better job with international opportunities. Watch movies and understand native speakers easily. Connect with people from different cultures. When the goal is clear, motivation becomes stronger. Whenever progress feels slow, remembering the goal helps bring back the energy to keep learning. Number 2. Make learning enjoyable. Many people believe learning English must always be serious. Studying textbooks, memorizing grammar rules, and taking notes. While those are useful, they can also feel boring over time. But English can be fun. Instead of only using traditional methods, trying new ways of learning can keep motivation high. Listen to music and sing along. Watch movies and TV shows in English. Read interesting books, not just grammar exercises. Join online communities to chat with English learners. When learning is enjoyable, it doesn't feel like hard work. Instead, it becomes a part of daily life. Number 3. Immerse yourself in English. Another way to stay motivated is to make English a natural part of life. Instead of treating it as something separate, include it in daily habits. Some easy ways to do this. Change phone and social media settings to English. Write daily thoughts or journal entries in English. Think in English instead of translating from the native language. Watch English videos and repeat phrases out loud. The more English is used, the more comfortable it feels. Over time, speaking and understanding become more natural. Number 4. See mistakes as learning steps. One big reason motivation disappears is fear of making mistakes. Many learners feel nervous about speaking because they worry about sounding wrong. But mistakes are not failures. They are proof of learning. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. Every time a mistake is made, something new is learned. Even native speakers make mistakes. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. When mistakes are seen as part of the journey, motivation stays strong. Instead of avoiding speaking, every conversation becomes an opportunity to grow. Number 5. Track your progress. Sometimes, motivation fades because improvement is not immediately visible. But even if fluency doesn't happen overnight, small progress is happening every day. A great way to stay motivated is to track progress. Record short videos or voice messages in English every month. Write down new words and review them. Note improvements in listening or understanding. Looking back at earlier progress shows how much has already been achieved. Seeing even small improvements helps keep the excitement alive. Number 6. Stay consistent. Motivation will not always be at 100%. Some days, energy is high and studying feels easy. Other days, it's harder to focus. That's normal. The key is consistency. Even when motivation is low, doing something small keeps the habit alive. Listen to a short podcast. Write a few sentences in English. Practice 5 new words. Even on difficult days, taking small steps ensures continued progress. Over time, these small actions lead to big improvements. Motivation will rise and fall, but the secret is to keep going. 1. Set clear goals to stay focused. 2. Find enjoyable ways to learn. 3. Make English a daily habit. 4. See mistakes as learning steps. 5. Track progress to stay encouraged. 6. Stay consistent, even on difficult days. Fluency in English doesn't happen overnight, but with the right mindset, motivation will stay strong. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips and motivation. Stay motivated, keep learning, and you will reach your goal.